Hi, I'm Josh Fielstra with Native Instruments, and I'm going to be showing some of the effects inside Maschine. Maschine, of course, has lots of sounds on offer, about 14,000, hundreds of drum kits, lots of instrumental sounds, but in addition to the sounds themselves, you also have the ability to affect them very powerfully. We've provided you with over 20 effects inside Maschine, things ranging from delays to EQ, compression, as well as some experimental type effects as well. I have here a drum pattern. And what I'm going to do is add some distortion. Maschine has a really great distortion, so I'll turn the distortion on, and then I'll change some of the parameters in real time. I also have things like the grain delay. The grain delay is one of my favorite effects because it's capable of traditional delay sounds, but also far more experimental pitch type delays. So here's some of the grain delay. Now, one of the great things about the effects in Maschine is that you can automate your parameter turns in real time. So if I want to record my knob turning and make the interesting knob turns that I'm doing part of the music, I can do that. I have a little auto write button. I'll just hold that down and I'll change some of the effect parameters, and you'll hear that that will become part of the music.